to call Miss Wahyuni Wijayanti to present her paper. Are
Yes,
you here?
yes, I'm here.
Okay. The screen is yours, Miss.
All right. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
My name is Wahyuni Wijayanti from Universitas Negeri Gorontalo. Uh, it's a great honor for me to present my research entitled The Effect of Gamification on the Motivation and Learning Outcome of Grade 8 Students at SMP Negeri 3 Luwuk. Education in the digital demands adaptation in teaching methods. Today's students are mostly Generation Z, who are digitally native and accustomed to interactive technology. Based on Mahboubi and Homedi in 2025, gamification can enhance students' engagement by activating psychological drives, such as the need to achieve, to compete, and to be rewarded. Therefore, the main aim on this study is to empirically test whether gamification can be an effective solution to improve both motivation and learning outcome in mathematics for grade 8 students at SMP Negeri 3 Luwuk. Method. This study was conducted at SMP Negeri 3 Luwuk using a quasi-experimental design. The design used was a pre-test and post-test control group designs, in which there were two groups, namely the experimental group that used the gamification method and the control group that used the conventional method. The population in this study was all 287 eighth grade students. To determine the sample size, the Slovene formula was used with a certain margin of error, resulting in 170 students divided proportionally into two groups, each consisting of 89 students. Before analyzing the data, prerequisite tests were conducted, namely a normality test using Kolmogorov-Smirnov and homogeneity test using Levin test. To ensure that the data meet the assumption of parametric statistical test, after that, the data was analyzing using the independent sample t-test. The difference between the experimental group and the control group, both in terms of learning motivation and mathematical learning outcome. With this approach, the study aimed to determine whether the application of the gamification learning method really had a significant effect on student motivation and learning outcome compared to conventional learning. The ratio. This study shows that the application of gamification method has a significant effect on the motivation and learning outcome of a grade student at SMP Negeri 3 Luwuk before testing the hypothesis, normality, and homogeneity tests were conducted to ensure data validity. The results show that although the data is not completely normal and homogeneous, the large sample size still meet the requirement for parametric analysis with the equal variance not assumed approach. The analysis results shows the student learning motivation increased significantly in the group that learn using the gamification approach. The average motivation score of the experimental group reached 110.05 compared to 72.95 in the control group, with a significance value below 0.001. This means that a learning atmosphere package like a game can foster enthusiasm, healthy competition, and intrinsic satisfaction in students. Elements such as point, badge, leaderboard, and gradual challenge prove effective in creating an enjoyable learning experience. These findings are also in line with self-determination theory, in which students' need for autonomy, competence, and social connections are met through gamification-based learning. In addition, student learning outcome also improved significantly. The average score of students in experimental group reached 83.18, while control group only scored 55.93, with a significance value that was equally strong at below 0.001. This shows that gamification not only motivation but also deepens conceptual understanding and improves student cognitive abilities. Students are encouraged to repeat challenges, improve their scores, and unconsciously engage in repetitive learning that strengthens their memory. Overall, the result of this study confirmed that a gamification-based learning is effective in increasing student motivation, engagement, and learning outcome, especially in subjects that are considered difficult, such as mathematics. Thus, teachers are expected to integrate gamification element into the learning process to make the learning experience more interactive, meaningful, and relate to the current digital generation. Novelty. This study offers novelty by applying a technology-based gamification approach to mathematics learning among Generation Z junior high school students, testing its simultaneous effect on motivation and learning outcome, and providing a contextual and a relevant implementation model for teachers in the digital age. And then contribution. This study contributes in three main ways. One, theoretical contribution. It strengthens on the theory of learning motivation and demonstrates the effectiveness of gamification in mathematics learning. Second, practical contribution. It provided teacher with a new model game-based learning that can make mathematics more enjoyable and increase student motivation and performance. And the third, contextual contribution. It presents empirical evidence from region school showing that a gamification can work effectively even outside urban or high-tech environment. I think is enough. To conclude, gamification is not merely about using games in the class. It's about transforming learning into an engaging, interactive, and rewarding experience that align with the mindset of the digital generation. I hope this study can inspire educators to innovate and bring joy back into the learning mathematics. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Miss Wahyuni Wijayanti. Now, last but not least, I would like to call Mr.